Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel just dropped one of the most anticipated music video in a while to his hit song God Is the Greatest, and I've been waiting for this song for a while now, right? And this is what I'm expecting in the music video. I'm expecting to see when Vybz Kartel just released from prison. After Vybz Kartel released from prison, you know, everything that took place, Freedom Street, the Grammys, Mobo Awards, you know, getting back his US visa, traveling to the UK, all of that. So if Vybz Kartel team is smart enough, they will put all of that, compile all of that in one and give us a grand, you know, moment of compilation of videos and everything put together, all of the achievements Vybz Kartel, you know, everything Vybz Kartel achieved and got back ever since he came from prison. This is the song, this is the music video to do with that, and I'm going to see if this music video exceed my expectation and also review the video, you know, in its entirety, right? So we're going to check out Vybz Kartel, God Is the Greatest right now.
God is the greatest. No,
What you're going through, count your blessings, yeah. First message, one of the best message you could ever receive. Count your blessings, right? Doesn't matter what is the negative things that is going on in your life, count your blessings. Look at the positive things that you have achieved. Look at the things that, you know, look at the small victories. Those things are important, and use that to continue to motivate you. You get me? When you wake up in the morning, say yes, you know, give thanks for life, and also just move forward with your life in the sense of don't focus on the negative things, you know, the negative aspect of your life, because too many times we focus on the negative things in our life rather than focusing on our small victories and our victories in general. You see me? So that is the message Vybz Kartel is sending right now. Count your blessings. God is the greatest. You see me? Vybz Kartel stepping out of prison. Give thanks for life. I'll take this to the God to see if I'm a sanctify. Now make them stress me with Red Boom TJ hormone and me bonafide. You see me? So just as I say, it would be a great idea for a Vybz Kartel team to get this music video going in the right way. Give thanks for life. You know what I mean? We see if I will sanctify. And as we can see, Vybz Kartel is using the Freedom Street visuals in this music video. As I said in the intro of the video, they need to do this. This is the video to showcase a compilation of all of Vybz Kartel victories ever since he was released from, you know what I mean, penitentiary. Now it's around us, blessings surround us. Me no care who like me just a go and show love. Me no care who like me just a go and show love. And that is important. We don't care who want hate, we don't care who want dislike, we don't care who even want like we just are gonna know, so yeah, we are focused on us and we are continue to do what is right, and that is just showing, you know, gratitude and showing appreciation and showing love and all of those things. So regardless if people want to hate what we do or hate us in general, because you're not for do nothing for people that like you know, people just are gonna hate our regardless, you see me? So we don't care who want hate. We just gotta continue to show love, continue to show up and give without no expectation, because that is the best form of giving. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Oh, far where I come from, what a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel have meaning. You see me? So that is the message. Far where I come from, you know what I mean? Far Vybz Kartel I come from, meaning a years, you know what I mean, in been through, in born in a poverty and become, you know what I mean, one of the most successful man, you know what I mean, in the music business, and, you know, the breadwinner of him family, and have about 70 independents, people who depend on him, and we know that from the trial, you see me? So, Vybz Kartel say, how far we are come from, and him reach to the pinnacle now, him reach where him want to be, you know what I mean, link up with DJ Khaled, officially I've seen for the first time, you know what I mean, We the Best, and him doing it, you know what I mean? Freedom Street was a success, linking up with DJ Khaled, now a part of DJ Khaled, a Lamb of God album, and all of these other things. So, you know, great things been happening, and, you know, life has meaning, and we must seek our purpose and seek the meaning of life. And, you know what I mean, partying and drinking and all these other things is just your way of saying, okay, you know, you want to enjoy yourself or whatever, but, you know, there's a greater purpose to life and to your purpose in life, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man. Believe in, see it and feel. Oh, life is so rough sometimes. Heaven hear me cry. To something with my life. Blessings around us. And as you can see, this section or this part of the music video is Bounty Killer receiving his visa, you know, Bounty Killer got back his US visa, link up with DJ Khaled in the USA, and DJ Khaled put on you know what I mean, a welcome dinner for Bounty Killer, and it's a great thing to see, you know what I mean. And Vybz Kartel say, alright, I'm gonna use this opportunity to link up with my father and show say, yo, God is the greatest, you know what I mean, and use this opportunity to say, alright, then, you know, make it be a part of, you know what I mean, the big video, the historic video, which is God is the greatest, you know what I mean, because, you know, God is the greatest. I don't care who like me, but just like one show love is around us, blessings around us. They not care who like me, but just like one show love. Oh, far where I come from, good thing God got me. See it and you feel. Far where I come from, I pass meaning. Say see it and feel. A new day. Give thanks for life. Me not see the mobiles. Me don't know if him could have used the footage or what, but me feel like right now Vybz Kartel mainly focus on the Freedom Street, linking up with Bounty Killer, linking up with DJ Khaled, being in America. Me not see the mobiles all now, or maybe me just never did not focus, but me not see the mobiles. That was an achievement also, you see me? That was a highlight of Vybz Kartel, you know, released from prison also, and, you know, me feel like him could have put it in there, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Now make them stress me. Me a whole a vibe. Oh. Yeah, man. So as me say, the music video did not disappoint. And I realize say AKA that Rupee, you know what I mean, I shoot Vybz Kartel video them from the other day, you see me, and it's a good look, you know what I mean. God is the greatest, and I feel like this music video will do well because the audio itself have over 2.1 or 2.2 or 2.8 million views on YouTube already, you know what I mean, after the Vikings album, the 10-year anniversary album. And yeah, man, Vybz Kartel been doing it, and Vybz Kartel just dropped Ignite the World music video, well needed. Vybz Kartel shooting the music video for Miami Vice episode, and you know what I mean, him finally dropped the God is the greatest music video. And I just the other day me I chat to one of my brother, you know what I mean, Same Flame Entertainment, and I say, yo, well, Vybz Kartel really a wait pan for drop the music video for God is the greatest. Like, he might drop everything else and not drop the music video for God is the greatest. Like, Vybz Kartel a lapse, you see me? So, and so said, so done, you know what I mean, the you know, the artist drop the video, and you know, we there, I react to it and all of these other things. So hit the like button, share, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. You see me, Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.